So in the last video, we have created a bot which is going to post the content on LinkedIn. To make the automation for Twitter, we will modify our current Meek.com scenario. And in the second, we will post the content on Twitter. So this is the first step where we're going to make few changes in the Meek scenario. So first thing first, what we need is, right now we already have the Airtable and the Meek.com. So here, what we need to do is, again, I already changed the name. So what I'm gonna do is, from here, I'm gonna add a router. I'm gonna click on this, and I'm just gonna search for Twitter for now because I already searched it recently. I'm just gonna get that, and here, what do I need is create a post, and this is gonna be free. I don't need to pay for the API here. And when I click on this one, as you can see, it is asking me to do a connection. So I'm going to click on that. And in order to do that, it is asking me for the client ID and the secret client's secret key, basically. So before doing this, I was preparing for this, tutorial, and already created this one. And yeah. So what you need to do is, here you're going to get a kind of like a place where you will where you will have an option to set up a client key. Okay, so what you need to do is, you will click on that one, setup, and then after that you will have to paste all of these settings, the one that I'm going to show you, right? Okay, now if you see, you will not get the edit option. You will get okay, so for now I'm gonna click edit. Okay, and you need to copy all of these settings. Same. Do not enter your website name. This is going to be again the same URL. Once you hit save, it will be created, and that's it. Again, it is going to give you your client ID and the success key. So make sure that you have it somewhere noted. Okay, I already have it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add the client ID key here in the make.com. Okay, but if you don't have it, what you could do is, you can just copy from here. Just go to the key and tokens, click on this one. Okay, just save it somewhere. I'm gonna use this, gonna save it, and I'm gonna add that in here. Okay, I'm just gonna redo it. Again, automations are always trial and error, so make sure that you do that. Again, authorize. Hopefully it is gonna work. See, it worked. It does not have that error anymore. Okay, so now, as you can see, I already have the content in here. Okay, I just need to add the content here, and that's it. In the last step, what we will be doing is, we will be doing a bit of user testing, I would say. So we already have a record and everything in here. Okay, so, and the automations are working fine. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna post this content, this is generated by a bot. This is generated by a bot, or something like that. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna change the names a bit. Okay, content posting, content marketing, whatever, ready to post on and X, and this will get changed in here. Okay, so X school. Okay, and what I will be doing is, now I will trigger the automation. I will go back here. I will just go back, click on back, save, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna ready to post, and we're gonna get the automation here in any time. See, okay, something went wrong with the HTTP module. Okay, I think it was not able to find out the image. Yeah, it was not able to find out the image. So I'm just gonna add the image or something. Okay, I'll just add something from my PC. We could add this actually. So fine, let's upload that. Again, always testing. Okay, so I'm just gonna come and add in there and move this status. Again, go back. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna proceed with delete the old chat. Okay, so, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna enter, and again, we're gonna see on our Twitter. See, the automation started working. It has posted the content. It is about to post the content on LinkedIn, and on the both the places the content is uploaded. So okay, I did not LinkedIn is working here. Okay, let's check for the Twitter also. Password. I'm not gonna save my password in there, and I'm gonna look for the post. See, 41 seconds ago, this post is generated by bot. Nice. And that's how we automate our LinkedIn and Twitter posting using Airtable and Make.com.